Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we'll be downloading top 5 must-have Android app for 2024. This is August part 3 series. And if you missed my previous video, don't worry about it. I'll link in the description below for you guys. I'll throw a card in the corner as well. You can go check it out. And those apps are completely free. And by the way, guys, these apps are completely free. Some are available on Playstore, some are available on different websites. And I'll throw everything in the description below so you don't have to go find somewhere else. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And thank you so much for my viewers and subscriber who's been helping this channel grow faster. I really appreciate that one, and thumbs up for you guys as well. And for disclaimer purpose, these videos are for education purpose only. Once that's out of the way, let's get started. Number one is called Taskbar. So Taskbar is a PC style productivity app for your Android. That means if you want to use your Android, or you want to make Android as a PC, which is Windows style, like in the menus and everything, guess what? You can do it with this application. You can customize to your liking based on the general layout, position, search, visibility, what type of icon you want to use and things like that. You can do that with a recent application, freeform mode, desktop mode. And in terms of for you to do desktop mode, you have to go in your developer setting, make sure you turn it on as well. And then once you give it a whole lot of permission, turn it on, and you can see right here the app drawer icon sits here. So it's easier for you if you want to use this one. For me, this is perfect because I'm being as a left-handed person, I can go swipe it, I can go open it, and I'll be able to open my application. So you can hide this on the side, you can open it whenever you like, and then you can start using it. And this is a great application, by the way. And you comment down below what sort of situation you're using this one, or if you like it or not. And I'm going to turn it off, and I'll go move on to the next one. Number two, it is an icon pack. So every time you look for icon pack, there are a lot of paid version of icon pack available on Play Store. They're nothing free, but guess what? I'm going to give you a nothing device icon pack for completely free. It's called Arctions, which is Arcticons. Again, I could be pronouncing it wrong. Again, completely free. There are 10,400 custom icon pre-installed in there as well. You can select to the different launcher. So if you don't know what launcher is, you can go check out my description at the bottom, and then you'll be able to see a feature of multiple free launchers. You can pick one of them, and you'll be able to install this one, and you'll be able to apply this one. For me, I have installed a Nord Launcher. I'm going to press OK. Boom, you can see all my icon packets. That means all my icon technically change it to a very minimalistic setup. And I love these icon packets. There are some icon missing here and there, which is a fitness one, black magic, and custom couple of things, but I should be able to get a similar icon package for somewhere else, or I can create my own and upload it as well, and I'll set up on my way. So having an Android device, you want to customize to your liking. So this is the freedom you have. Why don't you use it as well? So this is a great icon pack to use it. Number three, it's called Fad Cam. So it's spelled F-A-D-C-A-M. So Fad Cam, it is a great application to install. Why? If you want to take videos, or if you are in a very sticky situation that you have to take videos, and you don't want to let that person or that area know, or that the video you want to take know, guess what? You can use it with using this, where you press start, and you can see this is taking a video at the moment. But if I swipe up, and you'll see on the corner right here, which is dot icon as well. So that means something is running in the background. And while you're using a device, you'll be able to see nobody knows that you're actually taking a video. I can fold it. I can use my device as normal as it is. And once I finish recording, I can go back in the same application, and I can press stop. And once you stopped it, all the videos are saved right there as well. But you could see it is running there. You'll be able to save it. Again, this is a very useful application if you are on one of the situation. And please make sure you use all this app for a very good purpose. Don't use it for anything bad purpose. And I'm not recommending, or I'm not trying to, implement this one in these videos or on any of my channel. Now, move on to number four. Is called RI Music. This is a great music player. And sort of a music, and you want to play in an Android device, guess what? There are a lot of music player that claims that they have a great music UI, or can play the locally loaded music. Nothing plays greater than RI Music. You can see you can do a whole lot of things in there as well, and you'll be able to enjoy this application. I don't have to explain this application. Once you install it, you'll be able to know it. Number five is called Update Me. So Update Me, it is a great application to install. Why? If you have installed or downloaded any sort of application, being in the Android, you have the freedom to install it from outside sources, and you want to make sure that applications are updated every single time. And the best way to update it, utilize this app called Update Me. So this will give you a safety net. That means once you install it, or for example, if I want to update any of this application, I can go update any of this application as well, and I'll be able to update it without having any problem. And you must be thinking, oh, well, I can go to that similar website and update it, but sometime if you update it, your application might not work. But this way you are in a safety net. That means you are 100% that the application will be updated from there and it will work as well. So that means you will have that safety net built in. And there are a lot of things here. Downloads, which is your application, what you have downloaded as well, tips as well, your settings as well. You can go change the settings, whatever up to your liking, you can do this one. And this is a great application to install as well. And by the way, guys, these were the top 5 must-have Android app for 2024 August part 3. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, and thank you so much for my viewers and subscriber who's been helping this channel grow faster. I really appreciate that one, guys, and thank you for the comments as well. And you can comment down below if you want me to feature any sort of videos or any sort of apps on this channel. I will definitely gonna look into that one as well. And for meanwhile, guys, stay safe, be happy, and this is Genesis 6 signing out. Peace.